In this video, I'll show you how to set up Sapphire Bot welcome messages the right way. So to get started, go ahead and open Discord into your device and then go ahead and head over into that Discover tab at the left side of your screen. So from here, go ahead and head over to the Apps tab and then search for Sapphire. And then on the results, go ahead and click on Sapphire. And then from here, go ahead and click on this Add App button at the right side of Sapphire and then click on Visit Site from here. Now that will take you into a new tab where you'll be able to allow Sapphire to access your server. So you need to set the server where you want to add Sapphire Bot to, and then go ahead and authorize Sapphire Bot to access all of the access that it needs. And then after that, go ahead and head over into the Sapphire Bot website. So before that, you need to go ahead and confirm the connection of Sapphire Bot with your Discord account. After that, you'll be taken to your Sapphire Bot dashboard, and then from here, go ahead and head over into the Welcome Messages tab. So click on that in between your action roles and row connections. Now from here, go ahead and click on this Got It button and then set and select the welcome message that you want to add. So I'll simply add join messages, and then from here, go ahead and set the automation to where you want to add this welcome message to on your server. And that is how you can simply set up Sapphire Bot welcome messages the right way.